Learn English with Ashley.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
Okay, can I have your name please?
Yes, sure. I'm Catherine.
Oh, nice name.
Glad you think so.
Okay, Catherine, what is your full name?
Catherine Stephen.
My name is Joseph Charles. Please call me Joe.
Nice to meet you, Joe. You can call me Kat.
Pleased to meet you too, Kat. What is your nationality?
I'm originally from Argentina, but I was born in Norway. I live in Norway.
Where in Norway?
In the city of Oslo. And where are you from?
From Portugal.
Where do you live in Portugal?
I live in Lisbon.
Amazing, I love this city.
Lisbon is the capital of Portugal and largest city in Portugal. So, have you ever been to Lisbon?
No, but I'd like to visit it.
I hope you visit it, because it is really a beautiful city.
I will definitely visit it.
It will be my pleasure.
Oh, thank you, dear. What do you do for a living?
I work as a civil engineer. What about you?
I work as an accountant in a bank.
How many of your family members?
Well, my mom and dad, and I have 2 brothers and a sister, and you?
My parents and my brother and sister.
Okay, how old are you?
27 years old, and you?
I'm 25 years old.
Okay, Catherine, I'm glad to meet you.
I'm pleased to meet you too, Joe.
Well, talk to you later.
Yeah, nice talking to you. See you soon.
Hello, can I sit here?
Yes.
By the way, my name is Jamila.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
I'm glad to meet you, Sarah.
Yeah, me too. And where are you from?
I'm from Algeria. What about you?
I'm Moroccan. I'm from Morocco.
Awesome. Oh, this is my stop. Bye, Sarah.
Bye, Jamila. See you later.
Hi there. I don't think we have met before. I'm Mustafa. Good to meet you.
Hi, Mustafa. I'm Julia as well. It's great to meet you too.
You're from England, is that right?
Yes, I'm from Manchester. And where do you come from?
I come from Egypt.
So, are you working or studying?
I work in marketing. How about you?
Oh, that sounds interesting. I'm in software development. What made you choose marketing?
Well, I've always enjoyed coming up with creative ideas, and marketing allows me to do that. How about software development? What drew you to that field?
I've always had passion for technology and problem solving. I love the challenge of creating something new.
That's awesome. Outside of work, what do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy hiking and reading. How about you?
Nice. I'm into photography and love exploring new places. Have you been on any exciting hikes lately?
Not recently, but I did a challenging hike in the mountains last month.
That sounds amazing. I've been meaning to try more challenging hikes. Do you have any recommendations?
Definitely. I can give you some great suggestions. By the way, do you have any favorite books?
Sure, I love mystery novels. How about you?
Oh, I'm a fan of science fiction. We have different tastes, but that's what makes it interesting.
Absolutely. Differences make conversations more exciting. By the way, do you have any upcoming plans or trips?
I'm planning a weekend getaway to the beach. What about you?
No plans yet. But a trip sounds like a great idea. Maybe I'll plan something soon.
Well, talk to you later.
Okay, have a nice time. Bye.
Yeah, me too. Bye.
Good evening, Caitlin. How's everything?
Not bad. How are you?
Pretty good, thanks. Caitlin, this is Joseph. He is from Tunisia.
Hello, Joseph. Are you on vacation?
No, I'm not. I'm a student here.
Oh, are you studying English?
Yes, I'm. And engineering too.
Are you and Tommy in the same class?
No, we aren't, but we're on the same volleyball team.
Hey, Ruby, I'd like you to meet my friend Gianna.
Hi, Gianna. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Ruby. I've heard a lot about you.
Gianna is the one I was telling you about, the graphic designer who worked on that amazing project last month.
Oh, stop. It was a team effort. But Ruby, I heard you're into photography. That's so cool.
Yeah, I love capturing moments. And I've seen some of your designs, Gianna. Really impressive work.
See, Ruby, Gianna here is not just talented, but also a fellow coffee enthusiast.
Absolutely. Any friend of Judy who loves coffee is a friend of mine.
Well, I think we're going to get along just fine. Then maybe we should all grab coffee together sometime.
That sounds like a plan. I'll leave you two to chat. Let me know if you need anything.
Hey Amanda, how are you doing?
Hey, Cindy. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm also fine and doing great. How's family?
The family is also doing well. I'm busy with my kids these days as they have got their exams at school.
Yeah, kids keep us busy all the time.
How about the vacation you took last month? How was it?
Oh, it was great. We had a lot of adventure and fun.
Where did you go?
We went to Dubai.
It's a beautiful place to go. I went there last year and a lot of fun with my family. Did you go to Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi?
Yes, it's one of the most adventurous places. We had a real fun there, and especially my kids had a gala time at Ferrari World.
What other things you liked there?
I liked Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. It was really mesmerizing to see that building at night.
Indeed it is.
Anyway, are you planning a vacation this year?
Let's see. My husband and I are planning to go to Europe. However, we are busy with our family functions at home. As there is a marriage in our family, therefore it's still undecided.
All right, in fact we are also planning to go there. So, let's plan it together next year. By the way, where are you doing shopping for the wedding?
Everything from H&M. It has got a great collection of dresses.
Okay, I gotta go, something urgent has come up. Bye.
No problem. Stay in touch. See you soon. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.